Well, good day, everybody. Hi, I'm Jamel Bookaboo, two-star executive with Youngevity International. And today I'm going to make a short video on discussing what Dr. Wallach's talking about with arthritis. Now, it's important for me to mention that I'm not a doctor or a healthcare professional, so consult your own. All I am doing is explaining and underscoring what Dr. Wallach is talking about. He's a very good friend of mine. I believe he's one of the best doctors in the world. And please consult your own doctor or healthcare professional. If you wish to try any of the products or become a distributor, either retail or wholesale, click any of these links in the description and I will personally get back to you. So here we go. This is Dr. Wallach on his radio show talking about arthritis. And by the way, the links to the archives with Dr. Wallach's radio station are on this link in the comments as well. So here we go. I'm going to minimize myself. Oh, there we go. And here we are.
You know, especially when they have very painful arthritis, whether it's their knees or their hip or their shoulder or neck or their back, it might take 60, 90 days to see some benefit here. It's not going to happen in a week or 2 weeks, although they can get pain relief. When you get the Healthy Bone and Joint Pack, what would give them immediate pain relief?
CM cream and the trauma oil. They'd have to get the trauma oil with it.
Yeah, get the trauma oil, add 4 or 5 drops to a half a teaspoon of the CM cream, apply that to the joint. Within 10 to 15 minutes, you're going to get significant pain relief, sometimes total pain relief for an hour, 2 hours, whatever.
Okay, so what he's talking about now is the pain relief, which is very important. So I'm going to show you what he just spoke about then, which is the trauma oil, which you can see here. All the links will be in the description, and the CM cream. You can get both of these in the US or Australia, and the links to these products will be below. And I'll let him play the full I'll play the full protocol, and we can go from there.
And of course, now we have that Soothe from our hemp division, right? That cream in the little pump bottle. You add as Shar said, add the trauma oil to that too, and that topically applied to the knee or the hip or the neck or the back will give you significant pain relief for a couple of hours. But
okay, what he just mentioned there was Soothe from the hemp division. Youngevity now has a hemp line, so I will add that to the description as well.
What would be a cause? Let's say somebody goes 90 days and they're doing everything right. They were avoiding the bad foods, and you know they.
Dr. Wallach says give it 90 days and avoid the bad foods. There'll be information on that coming up.
You really have gone out of their way to use the CM cream or the Soothe, and when they apply it, they do get some pain relief. But the grinding in the knee, you know, the discomfort, the disability, are just not showing any benefit. What would be a cause of that?
Well, they need to clean up their diet because they're probably not absorbing.
You get an A+, exactly, A+, not absorbing. And of course, again, when people have severe bone-to-bone arthritis, it might be 60, 90 days before they see anything. Okay, it's not going to happen in a week.
No.
Nutrition takes a while, but you're exactly right. And so what would you clean up if they're not, you know, if they're showing no results after a month or two, nothing, what would you do for their diet?
Well, I tell them anyway, no wheat, barley, rye, or oats, no fried foods, no oils of any kind, and no burnt animal fat. And if they do that, they'll feel better anyway.
Yeah, well, they're going to feel better. They'll lose some weight, but certainly it will allow absorption of the nutrients. It'll increase the efficiency of absorption. That old adage, you are what you eat, is not true. You are what you absorb. And of course, if you're not absorbing because you have intestinal damage because of things like gluten problems, you lose all the villi in your intestines, you have scar tissue in there, and your efficiency of absorption goes down to 3% instead of 50% or 75% or 100%. You go way down there, and that will result in what maybe Martin is seeing. So Martin, I want you to listen. You got to get rid of all the bad foods, the fried foods, the processed meats, the oils, the glutens. Per 100 pounds of body weight, you need 1 Healthy Bone and Joint Pack per month. And you need to apply the Soothe, the trauma oil, the CM cream with the trauma oil topically to your knees. Wouldn't hurt to throw in some vitamin D3, throw in some extra MSM.
Okay, so apart from the vitamin D3 and MSM, which you can get in these links as well, what you're looking at right now is the Healthy Body Athletic Pack, which is close to the Bone and Joint Pack. The difference is it includes a rebound. I'll add those extra products You can see the glucogel, and I will add what he is talking about there. So basically, click on those links. If you get a product, I'll get a notification. And if you want to become a customer, that's fine. And you can get wholesale if you sign up for that. Or you can become a distributor and earn some extra income. And I will help you do that. I'll put time aside to train you up if you want it. What you're looking at right now is the American version of the Megapack 2.0. There's a variety of them. This is the one that I'd recommend because it comes with the sample energy pollen burst, this the on the go, or whatever you want to call them, sample stick packs of the rebound, the tangy tangerine, 2 healthy start packs in that. It's bang for your buck, and it opens up the whole compensation plan. So that's my job. I'm a distributor, not a doctor, and I like to just underscore what Dr. Wallach talks about. Did have great fortune of him staying at my home a couple of years ago in Hawaii, and I hope I helped you in some capacity today. Please leave a message or private message me or call me on my phone number or text me. That's my personal number, and we can set up a time to talk. Hope you haven't had a great day. G'day and aloha from me, Jamel Bookaboo, 2-star executive, Youngevity International.